All right, I think that's pretty good, y'all. So pretty.
Guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty, and in this video I will be showing you guys how I slayed this wig, honey. Like, get into these clips, get into this wig, get into this hairline, because it is all bomb. All right guys, so let me go ahead and show you how I installed as well as how I styled my half up half down, starting with the wig like this. All right, let's get into it.
Okay you guys, so I went ahead and washed my wig and bleached my knots, as you can see here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just run through really quick of me putting on the wig. You guys always see how I do it, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I style it. Okay guys, so it is the next morning, so let's just take that off. And I think that's how I need to start doing my wigs. Like, the meltdown is completely different when I actually let it take its time and melt. So I don't know, I'm thinking like maybe I can start applying my wigs at night and then finishing them up like the next day, because this is just, she cute. Oh, that conditioner smells so good. It's the Aussie, something like that. Really pretty. This video, I'm just going to be talking to you guys. I never really talk to you guys. I always just get on camera, do my hair, and that's it, because it's easier. That's just what I've been doing. But today I'm going to talk to you guys because, hey, what else is there to do? So I'm just gonna cut my baby hairs down. All right, I'm just... So let me hot comb this part. Okay y'all, so really quick, this is how my hair looks down with the side part. You know, I just want to give you guys a quick little glimpse of how it looks if you were down. Before I style it. Looks really cute. This hair is really thick. Look at it. It's super thick. It's really nice and soft. And I've only cut my lace in the front, but I am receiving some shedding. Yeah, so I want to show you guys how it looks down. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. Just do my little half up, half down. Okay, this is my Amber J wax stick. All right, and this is Lottie Body Setting Lotion. All right, so I'm gonna take some of my holding spray because it's a little harder than what I thought. Pretty. Okay, now let's struggle with this side. Okay, that side was a lot easier. Maybe this side was hard because I was trying to make sure I kept that part right there and the swoop. Boom! Boom! What's that? Boom! What's that? Y'all, this is gonna be cute. She gonna be cute. She cute right here with this little knot. This is gonna be cute. I need my hair to be super, super, super cute because I've been feeling a little down. I don't know what's up with me. But I've been feeling like a little You know how sometimes you just feel like you just don't know why. You just feel like That's me. Now I just gotta do my swoop. Okay, so I'm letting my hot comb get hot so I can press this as flat as I can get it. Y'all, this hair straightens really good. Look at that. I got that like bone straight that quick. Okay, let's spray this a bit. All right, let me put some clips. That look like I need another one right here. Okay, you're gonna need a lot of clips. So I just try to get it up there. All right, one more clip right here. Okay, add this to my ponytail. Being very gentle. All right, I think that's pretty good, y'all. So pretty. Okay, y'all, my hair looks amazing, girl. Amazing. It looks so good. Okay, so I'm gonna straighten my hair and I'll be back because yeah, I think. Y'all, look how pretty this is. It's super soft. And these flat irons do not have a name. I got them from some hair companies. Okay, so now here you can see straighten and in its natural state. It looks beautiful both ways, but with this style, I think it looks really good straightened. Honey, I did this. I did that. I did that. I did that, right? Okay, girl, I thought so. Okay. My hair straightened out really, really well. It looks so good. It's so thick. I gotta go check and see what density this is and get y'all the price. Okay, y'all, so I received these cute little hair pins from Kurl's Kulture. This one says Queen, this one says Black, and this one says Melanin. Cute. I'm ready to put every last one in my head, sis. Yeah, let's do it like that. Black Melanin Queen. Oh, look at the quality of these pins. They look really good. Trying to slide it on. Black! Clips like this just make me feel so good. Like, oh. Yes, Kurl Kulture came through. And you know you can get these from the hair store as well, but the quality is not as good as these. So you guys definitely go make sure you click the link down below and check out Kurl Kulture. I'm gonna cry because my hair looks so good. A Black Melanin Queen took it to a whole nother level. Come through. Come through. Wig popping swoop. That swoop though. These pins, Kurl Kulture. Okay, black owned businesses. Come on. Click the link down below and go support. don't forget about my earrings either. Okay, Geneva's hard, black owned business, go get it. So yeah, that's all for this video. I love this style, super cute, super easy ish, besides that part. Really cute. You guys definitely go check out the links down below and go and get this wig, sis. Let me see, let me give y'all the specs on this wig. Okay y'all, so this was their loose wave 250 density. That's why it's thick as, oh my god, love that. And they have it on their website for $215. Go get it, sis. And look at that lace. You see that lace, sis? Where? I know you can't find it. Melanin popping, earrings popping. Go get it, sis. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time in another banging video. Peace.